Welcome to our channel. If your Fire TV stick is not responding or needs a quick restart, follow these step-by-step instructions for the simplest way to reboot your device. Step 1. Grab your Fire TV remote and locate the select button in the center and the play/pause button. Step 2. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until you see a message on screen. Step 3. Your TV will display a restart confirmation prompt. Select Restart to confirm. Step 4. If the remote shortcut doesn't work, go to Settings from the Fire TV home screen. Step 5. Navigate to My Fire TV or device depending on your model. Step 6. Select Restart from the Options menu. Step 7. Confirm the restart by selecting Restart again when prompted. Step 8. Wait for your Fire TV stick to shut down and automatically restart, which takes about 1 to 2 minutes. After it boots up, check if your issues are resolved. For stubborn problems, you can also unplug the power cable for 30 seconds as an alternative restart method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.